Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. Girl, it's just this hoe. Today is a mother effing unboxing. That's right. It is a Louis Vuitton bag, and I am going to unbox that with you. Let's dispense with all the shenanigans and get right to it. Alright, so you have your little box. Okay. It's got a little scanner thing on it. Strange, but alright. And it's one of the draw pull boxes. Has anybody got any guesses? Got your little dust bag. Girl, I'm gonna have to pull this one all the way out. Oh! If only my husband had said that 3 damn times. Okay, so anyway, here's your dust bag. It's a drawstring bag. What did she get, girl? It is, oh my freaking, what? It is the Louis Vuitton Coussin Pochette. And it is in that, I believe this is navy. It looks kind of dark on screen, but that's supposed to be navy. And it's got all those little, I think it looks like tie-dye moments in the LVs. Can you see that? Let me give you a back. Look at that. Ooh, look at her back. All right, let's open it up and see. Comes with a kind of like microfiber-ish lining. 2 pockets. One is a zip. Okay. Something off about this bag. What is it? Okay, guys. I'm just going to give it to you straight. This is not an authentic Louis Vuitton bag. What? It is that easy to get duped, to get played when buying a pre-loved item that looks just like the real thing. Now, the purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. I am not on here to sell anything that's not authentic. I'm not here to sell anything at all, actually. I'm just here to drop some knowledge because I have been taken. Now, this one I bought with the purpose of doing this video, you know, just because so many people get duped and it is a horrible feeling. I have been duped many times online, many times. Luckily, most of the time when I figure it out, and yeah, I do figure it out, I'm lucky enough to get my money back most always because it's been used to. It was eBay, did a lot. I gotta tell you, on eBay, I got duped so many times, but they're very good to work with you and cancel the sale and give you your money back in that situation. I have been duped on Mercari, as you know. I have been duped on Etsy, which Etsy, I got half duped and half. Actually, I really did think that the item was authentic because it was very expensive. I think it was the flip-flops that time, right? And then when I got them, they were fake. And also on Etsy, I've been duped in buying something that looks like an item and it never came. So anyway, there's all kinds of duping and playing around and messing around with your money out there. And this bag is, I mean, to the naked eye, girl, is there any way else for your eyes to be? To the naked eye, it looks pretty good. I want to say, I think they did get this one wrong because I think it's supposed to be navy and it does. I think it's actually I think it's black. But I feel like the one that they sold like this, so there's the first thing we realize on this little bag. Girl, it is, and I won't tell you anything about where I bought it or promote that because I'm not here to do that today. I'm just here to like drop some knowledge about how, oh girl, she's got a foo-foo smell inside, hydroxyfoo-foo. So the chain on this thing, very, very brassy. All right, let's compare it. This is an actual authentic Cousin bag. I couldn't find this actual one. I wanted to buy this one, but then I was like, well, y'all already know I have this one, so why would I unbox the second one? So I thought, well, let's go with a pochette like I have, and let's try that color. I really did I was into this whole tie-dye looking thing last year, but now that you think about it, yeah, it's dark, but this is all kinds of wrong. And that's okay because I knew it going in that this was wrong. But if we compare, let's first do the sizing. The sizing is pretty much right. You'll see that even the crease right up here where it bends looks about the same. But there's one thing that I noticed on mine, the authentic one, that this one got wrong, is where it's got the Louis Vuitton stamp on this great big, this is a card pocket. So if you guys can see, yeah, it's an actual card pocket that's got the gold leaf stamping of Louis Vuitton in there. It's got the Made in Italy stamped on this one. If we look at this one, it's stamped, but there's no gold leaf or anything. There's no color or anything in it. It's just stamped with the Louis Vuitton on it. And the biggest thing is guys, this is not a card pocket. So they got that wrong. Yeah. The inside of this bag is, I don't know if they were going for the same red, but dude, this red is gorgeous, beautiful cherry red. It feels right. It's in, the lining is stuck in there very well. It's good. The zipper, let me see. Let me put the fakery down. So there's so many red flags on this bag. I mean, if you're looking for one, fine, but if somebody's trying to sell you this, these things are like $2 grand, $2,800, somewhere around in there. If somebody tries to sell you, first of all, for $1,000 off list, red flag. But check this out, how sweet and nice this zipper is. There's a card pocket slot in here, looking good. Here's the hardware, very substantial, very heavy. It's got just enough brassiness to it. It's not too yellow. Let's switch over to the fake one. So yeah, if you notice in here, the lining doesn't even fit the actual bag. It's just all kinds of effed up and wonky. Red flag. This is supposed to be a pocket. It's sewn shut. I do believe that Louis Vuitton did want this to say Louis Vuitton, not just be stamped in there. I mean, that's how they did it in the authentic one that I have. And now there's never going to be any mistaking my authentic hardware for this. Look at the difference. It's just, can you guys see it? Let me pull them out. Ooh, girl, she's sexual innuendo everywhere today. Okay, there is a very harsh chemical smell with that bag as well. So, I don't know. I could get these mixed up and still find the authentic one. So you see that, I mean, it's just a very huge difference in the, if I come up closer. This is the authentic, and this is the non-authentic fakery one. Very yellow, very brassy. This one is not nearly as heavy. This thing's heavy duty. I mean, there's some weight to it. I wish I'd brought my food scales in here, but let's see lengthwise. So yeah, the fake one, the real brassy one, is about 4 inches longer. So that is another telltale sign. So they made these so that the hardware, whoops, could come off. So you could take this off and wear it as a shoulder bag. And you could actually wear this as like jewelry. I've worn this as a bracelet before. So yeah, the hardware on that one, it's a no. I mean, this thing, oh, it's not good, guys. It is not good. But yeah, you saw how easy my zipper glides, right? Let's go back to the fakery one. First of all, this brassy gold yellow hardware. She's not the one. No. I mean, after I got it started, but it's, I don't know, it's just wonky. It didn't start well. But yeah, you can see it's very shoddy craftsmanship on this thing. I mean, from the very first, the first thing wrong on the whole bag is the fact that it's not supposed to be a black bag, guys. It's supposed to be navy. And they effed that up too. So, God, please do not get taken on any bag. But man, oh man, look at the, so I want to see. Yeah, the D-rings on the one that, the things that hold the straps. God, this one's like huge compared to the actual one. It's not the right size. It does have Louis Vuitton written on, very tiny on the real one. I don't know if that'll ever focus. But yeah, it's etched in the actual D-ring. This humongous honking one, it's great big etched in there. Do you see it? Yeah, it's all kinds of wrong, guys. So yeah, this is it's not even a good one. I paid less than $200, I want to say. All said and I hope I paid less than $200. I hate that I even paid that much, but yeah, I will gift this to a little gal in my family. She's not the effing one. I'm just very like, what the hell? All right, so let's take a look at the dust bag. This is the dust bag that they sent me. With this bag, it's very blue writing on the boxes. I don't think that Louis Vuitton does this. I haven't seen one. I've seen like a scanner code on a dust bag. That tracks. But if you'll notice the two, this is an authentic box. How orange and yellowish this comes off. This is sort of a burnt, darker orange color. Yeah, this one's just really bright and it's not right. It's like a fluorescent almost. It's just not right. And the feel of the two, like this is a scratchy material. This one's trying to be scratchy, but it's just not. And it's kind of banged up. So, you know, they tried it, but they did not get it right. But this, if you get one in this scanner thing here, I'd be very leery of this. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. It actually has a number. I don't know if that number goes to what that is, that real bag is. But on a real Louis Vuitton box, and here's a drawstring dust bag. Yeah, sometimes they'll come with little scanners on the bags themselves. But yeah, the writing is off on this one. Yeah, I need to use that. So, this is usually, sometimes I get like samples in here, some perfume samples. But see the difference in the writing? It's way off, guys. It's just like night and day. Here's another dust bag. So, yeah. That really, really blue. She's not the one. So anyhow, yeah, I just wanted to kind of look at the difference between even the blue of this is a lighter blue. It's not, I don't know, it's more of a light blue. Theirs is more of a dark. So even the drawstring ribbon is all frayed out for one. That's something that, you know, usually they don't do. And see how they're sewn shut on the ends? Whereas this one's just, wow, all willy-nilly. So yeah, this is a she's not the one. But they're both very lightweight. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, the deeper, can you see the way that they really imprinted the actual LVs in this one, the real one, as opposed to this one? They're not very deep in there. I feel like that a real one would be. So yeah, you can see the difference. I mean, you can tell this is leather and a nice, I think these were lambskin, right? They're soft. Oh my God, they're so soft. But yeah, this one, I kind of even have my doubts that it's leather actually. So yeah, please guys, do not be fooled by the fakery.
Do not seek the treasure.
So anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd have a little fun with this today. I bought this bag just for the purposes of, you know, all people can talk about is getting faked and all this stuff, and that's definitely not something that we want for each other or really anybody else. I mean, if you're going out and you're, you know, intent on buying one that's not, I guess this is fine. You know, for the purposes, you know what I mean? But whew, if I was to buy this and I got this, I'd be so pissed. But yeah. So there we go. That's the video for today. I just wanted to unbox my Louis Vuitton coussin. I can't even call it that. It's not. It's so far off. This is like a really bad one. This is actually like AliExpress, maybe $85, I think it should be. I think I got a little swindled on this one, but, you know, what are you going to do? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you'll do me a huge favor, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Also, comment down below. If you want to comment anything about today's video and it's a mean comment, just don't. I'm just going to delete those. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Have you ever been taken online buying pre-loved? It's a horrible feeling. I do not want that to happen to you. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll be back here this Saturday for more fun. I'm not really sure what's going to go on, but doggone it, it's going to be great. Has no idea what's happening. But if you all will do me a huge favor, and if y'all see my husband, girl, woohoo, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Unmitigated gall. I mean, seriously? Smell is the huge factor on this. Ugh, it's disgusting. I'm gonna treat this. I'm gonna treat this worse than the firkin. I can't. Do not get taken, biatch! No! Hold me.